Oh yeah.
Yes. Uncle TV I get the exclusive, you know. Footage in the morning. So what go on? I deal with? There man. You come and you come scope your masterpiece. Mm. True. Hard work you go on with man. True. Yeah. True. They say them afraid of the girl. The Corona girl.
Yes, man.
You're not afraid of it?
I'll kill her. I'll kill her. I'm afraid. I'll kill her. To the child, you have to have that. This man, I say, I want them to I'll go for the ID place. And I'm going to tell me, you must say, you know, vaccinate.
You can't get your ID.
You not know that?
No, I'm not hear about that. But me no feel say that right.
Yeah. So me ask the question, I'm sure.
Which ID place? Passport?
No, man, not a Molan.
Okay. Okay, that are the
Electoral.
okay. Me no feel say that right.
Yeah, me ask the girl if she's sure and she say yes.
So what you think about the vaccine? You gonna take it?
I'm not so believe in it. No, trust me. To me, I don't think you should just force to come from the people. I think you should make the people take time to see what I want.
Yeah. True. True. True.
So, who wants to take it?
Take it.
Yeah.
And who no want take it, them just leave them.
Then just leave them. So, in the long run now, if it's necessary, everybody will go.
Take it. Yeah, everybody are gonna take it.
Yeah.
True.
You see me?
True.
You know, if you're longer, even last night now, I was feeling that they must have anything.
You hear what go on with the bank?
Yeah, in the bank. And they must have go on. Next month,
Yeah.
next week,
Either 30th of this month or next month,
and next month, they must have to take it.
mandate all of the workers them
All
inside
right,
there. So if them do that to the workers, the person them will have them account inside there, them in a trouble too.
Yeah,
Cause them have to show pass the
they
community.
must go show up. Come in. But that's not right, because you have religious people, no brother, no believe in a vaccine.
True.
You have some church, no believe in a vaccine. You have some, you must live in church, it must be a religion.
True.
So, I want any vaccine.
True.
They're in a vaccine. You know, just force it on the people.
True.
If you don't want to take it, you have to go pay like a week's salary. How do you feel like it? You know, the poor way them live with, them just a you. I'm going to say it's wicked. It's wicked. They don't tell a person they have to go pay for vaccine money.
Yeah. Them have to go take the test to see if them have the COVID monthly or must be every week.
I test
yeah, I test.
Oh, I test.
Yeah.
Oh, so me
They have to get the test. To show say you know COVID.
and I test I go be every week as an injection.
Yep. As a swab. As a swab.
Oh, I not injection.
And an injection one that I swab.
Well, that's the young one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's the young one.
But me I say this thing here I go take over the whole place because you know see in Australia how them a fight.
Yeah, man.
Them a fight the people them hard, you know.
And the world, that's the truth. It's not the vaccine and the world power. just a show. Say, this is more than vaccine. It's a show say corona just don't come by accident.
That is it.
Yeah, if you look what going on, you can say corona don't come by.
True.
It comes something behind it.
True.
And only just have to force people
So
to
just
do what you say.
forcefully.
Yeah, forcefully. You know,
And it a legalize.
right.
Right, true. You ever seen it like that?
And none of the government don't step foot and say, alright, not something people.
And a lot of people are going to lose them work.
Lots of people are losing their work.
Yeah, man.
No, people lose their work already.
I know.
This girl up, you know, she used to work in a lab. And she said, the supervisor in a lab.
If she not vaccinated, she going to lose her work.
She can't come back. And she said, she don't have just have baby and the reason her doctor and her doctor said, she towards her body.
Mm-hmm.
Because she needs school baby.
Oh, she have to give it some time.
So she has to give it some time. He said, the doctor said, he's not against the vaccine, but he don't sure if she ready to take it.
Yeah.
So eat some time. And then write a letter and give her. And she say, and
But what I think she shouldn't do is try to contest that. Because them not supposed to force her out her job. Them not supposed to force her out her job. So
she may be less poorly.
yeah, but she needs to talk to talk out. Talk on social media and talk out.
Yeah, she needs to.
Yeah, she needs to talk out her problem because right now, you know, you see all of them problem there where you see it occur, that's why you see them say mental illness that take over too, you know.
Yeah, right. Them are show that heart from the so this son look funny to too. You understand? And so the father supervise the girl. Because he said the girl not going to get enough. The girl is not she not work there no long time. He said she just want to start.
Oh.
She maybe does maybe a 6 months or 8 months or something like that.
But still, they're not supposed to force her from her work.
And I want to say,
And she just have baby.
just have a baby and the baby stop them when she couldn't get the work.
So the work set. I get the exclusive footage on the work. What it's all about. Can see, check it out. I'm going to render it. Yeah, good mason, you know.
Yeah, I mean, the great security here, you know, the best security from Emancipation Park, you know. Yeah, at the Frankie TV, I get the exclusive, you know. So you say security, we have to tell the people then. Well, say them to keep wearing their masks and sanitize.
Well, morning again.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I have to say, just wear a mask, keep sanitized, and stay safe. Right? Just abide by the rules and the regulations, and let us see if we can break through this virus and these rough times. Okay? Enjoy yourself. Have a great day.